Hi everyone and welcome to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this delicious and refreshing Jamaican sorrel drink. Alright guys, so I have 2 pounds of fresh sorrel here, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to wash it well. I'm going to be washing it in my sink, so it gives me a lot more room to wash it. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt to the water. So now that the sorrel is nice and clean, I've added them to a huge pot, and I'm going to throw in some ginger. You don't have to peel your ginger, it's just a personal choice. And I also pounded the ginger well because I want to extract as much of that gingery flavor as I can. Now I'm adding a lot of ginger because I like when my sorrel has that kick from the ginger, but not so much where it's overpowering. Next, I'm gonna throw in my water, and I'm gonna fill my pot all the way up because I'm making a lot of sorrel, as you can see. So that's a total of 5 liters of water. So you have different variations of sorrel juice. Some people add pineapple, some people like to add cloves and all of that to theirs. But this is the way that I particularly like my sorrel. That nice rich sorrel flavor with that kick from the ginger. So this is a particular recipe that I wanted to do first. I may do other variations in the future, so you can look out for that. Now you can add more or less ginger if you wish, and I know that you have some ginger that's a little bit stronger than others, so just adjust it according to your preference. Now I'm going to cover and allow this to come to a boil. So once it comes to a boil, I'm going to reduce the heat and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, so now I'm going to turn my flame off, and I'm going to allow this to steep overnight. Now you can strain it once it has cooled down, but I like to allow mine to steep overnight because I think that it's more than enough time for it to, all the flavors to mellow out and come together, and for all that ginger to be extracted. And already guys, you can see how nice and rich this drink is looking. Alright guys, so it's the following day and our sorrel has completely cooled and all our flavors have been extracted. I'm just gonna go ahead and strain this off. And then sweeten this according to taste. And you can use either brown sugar or granulated sugar. Either one will work. I'm also going to add a little bit of white rum. Just a little bit for now. And the rum is completely optional. You can definitely make it non-alcoholic. This sorrel drink has the perfect amount of sweetness, complemented by that natural tang that the sorrel has, and the kick from the ginger comes through with a little hint of the rum. Be sure to store this in your fridge. You can also freeze it. Recipe will be in the description and you can easily adjust it. If you would like to see more traditional Jamaican holiday favorites, you can check out these videos here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.